First of all, go to File and choose Open. Select these two images like this and hit Open. Here I want to texturize the image in the box. So go to Select and choose All. Go to Edit, this time choose Copy. Now go to our main window, take a new layer, change the blending mode from normal to multiply, go to Filter and choose Vanishing Point Filter. Here select the box like this. Now hold the Control button and expand the selection. Also adjust the selection like this. Hit Ctrl V to paste the copied image file. Move a little bit. Hit Ctrl T for the transform option. Decrease the image size and move it into the box like this. Now hit OK and see the final result. Let's check the same process on other images. At first go to the image folder, hold the Control button and select these two images. Drag and drop these images into Photoshop. Hit Ctrl A to select this image. Then hit Ctrl C to copy this image. Go to our main window, take a new layer, go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Here select the top face like this. Now hold the Control button and expand the selection. Also adjust the selection like this. Then hit Ctrl V to paste the copied image. Let's move and position the image in the selected part. Hit OK. Then go to Blend Modes and choose Multiply. Now is the time to see the final result. We can also change the texture image. First close the texture window. Go to Folder. Select this texture image, drag and drop it into a separate window. Now hit Ctrl A for selection. Hit Ctrl C for copy. Go to the main window. Now go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Hit Ctrl V to paste the copied image. Move it into the selection area. Hit OK and see the final result.